building up an insecurity so that someone can sell something to you. Does having facial hair makes you less of a woman? Hi everyone. Today we'll bring up some misconceptions and inequities surrounding skincare. The first misconception is that skincare is only for women or mainly teenage girls. But in reality, most of the men or boys aren't taught skin health beyond basic hygiene. Let me tell you, soap and water aren't enough. Also, what I think is that in India, the beauty commercials do not really connect with a lot of men or boys, which sends them the message that they don't need skincare. But everybody has skin, so everyone should take care of it equally. Second misconception is we need to apply sunscreen only in summer. No, even if it's winter or it's a cloudy day or it's monsoon, we need to apply sunscreen every day. Also, most of the people think that tanning is healthy. Tanning is not healthy. It is as equal to you're getting sunburn. There are a few reasons because of which in India people are not really concerned about sunscreen. One could be sunscreen can be expensive and not everyone can afford it. Population like construction workers or people working in farm or corporate people as well not really have a lot of time of reapplying it or applying it again after a few hours. So I guess the only solution is that beauty companies along with government or NGOs should plant some sunscreen dispensers in most of the areas, mainly for them, but I don't think they would do it. Second thing which I want to talk about is acceptance. I get a lot of questions related to skincare and the only thing they say is मैं इससे गोरा हो जाऊंगा क्या, इससे मेरा कलर टोन सही हो जाएगा क्या. I think whatever is your skin tone, whether it's deep, darker, brown, fair, is your healthiest of your own. I don't think you need any cream. Until and unless your skin is tan or sunburned, there is an issue. I personally eat a lot of junk food, but that does not make me stop having a glowing skin because I compensate it while I eat a lot of healthy fruits as well. Start with very basic 3 things. First, drink enough water. Wash your face twice a day, or do not forget to apply sunscreen. Okay, we're heading to the last.
I didn't realize I was the bearded lady.
This is a textbook example of making up an insecurity so that someone can sell something to you. This is the most insidious part of beauty community, which makes me so upset that by calling herself the bearded lady, she is making you feel like a freak for having something which everyone on the planet Earth has, which is facial hair. And by the way, facial hair serves a purpose, is to protect your skin. And if you want to shave it off or nair it off, whatever it is, your God-given right. And if you need a spray to identify the problem, was it really a problem you cared about before? Does having facial hair makes you less of a woman? Listen, makeup, skincare or healthcare is supposed to be fun. It is supposed to make you feel good about yourself. Also, beauty companies want you to feel like shit so that you can continue buying their shitty products. Lastly, I would love to answer that how I do collaborations with brands. I do not sell products, I just promote them. I help small scale beauty brands reach a lot of audience. So we have beauty agencies in between which are intermediary between the beauty brands and content creators. Mainly I pitch beauty agencies as well, and I pitch to directly brands. Sometimes brand may answer. Benefits I get is that I get to use their free products as a sample. No, we do not have to return them. Sometimes the deliverables would be a reel or a story. Brands really force us to speak a lot extra about the product, but you should not. You should tell mainly your honest experience. No, we are not allowed to show any other product except the one we are advertising. Secondly, there are paid collaborations where we get paid for each reel or story or as many deliverables as we want to do or the brand asks us to do. I take collaborations from really small scale brands, so the prices are really minimal. So that is how we do collaborations. एंड में हमेशा मेरी लाइटिंग कितनी प्यारी हो जाती है वीडियो में. एट लास्ट आई वुड जस्ट वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू नो दैट स्किन केयर इज जस्ट एन हेल्थ केयर. इट्स नॉट अ लग्जरी just because I enjoy it a lot, but it is really a necessity nowadays. So that was all for my today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.